My name is Octavio Chon. I'm a philosopher, and I would like to invite you to my seminar entitled Astrobioethic Reflections Related to Space Exploration. In this opportunity, I will talk about the ethical implications related to astrobiology through some questions such as: are we the guardians of life in the universe? What would be the ethical implications of discovering life, microbial life on Mars? Are we about to become a truly multiplanetary species? Will overcoming biogeocentrism be the way to a more universal ethics? In order to address these questions, it will be necessary to appeal to the term Astrobioethics, which deals with the study of the moral dimension related to astrobiology. We will examine some of the arguments outlined that may serve as a proposal to reach a consensus on a possible solution to the questions raised. So please join me in this seminar. Thank you.